Good morning, and today is Tuesday, December 22nd. It's our last day before winter break. Don't forget to come dressed up today wearing your favorite holiday gear to our live meetings. Live meetings today, we have math at 9 a.m. and we are going to actually do a quick check-in, a targeted measurement, and check how we're doing on equivalent fractions, decimals, percents, and converting, and then adding fractions using that big giant 1. So we'll do that today at our Math WebEx meeting. For Language Arts, 11 o'clock. We're going to continue on with Lesson 5 in our response journal. And then Social Studies today at 1 p.m. we actually have an assessment, our Chapter 5 assessment. So 2 assessments today during our live meetings, and then our Language Arts Lesson 5 for Mod 0. And then we are also turning in our science projects today, the speed, velocity, and acceleration assignment. So make sure that's also a targeted measurement, and that one is due today. So make sure you get that put into your science course. And can't wait to see you before this last day before break, and I'll see you at 9 a.m.